Welcome this video palette for gardening a comprehensive guess. Gardening with palette have going popular among ultimates look to create budget friendly centrability and a pair setup. Wood palette used in shape and stone can be repurposed into gardening centrability. Ring for plants to various gardening. This gas well explored to benefit of use palette for gardening. How to choose the right palette and create a way to incorporating theme into your gardening. Benefit of use palette in gardening. Cost effect. Pallets are often available for free or at a maximum cost for locate business, farmhouse and reclaim center. This make theme and choose for gardening. Eco-friendly repurposed plants, red wash and thematic centrability by give simple second live to main interest live to material the right thought wash and up in landfill. Space save various gardening create with palette and idea for smart gardening, such as build fiber backyard, then allow to grow plants without request explain size, group space, versatile. Pallets can be advertising for multi gardening purpose, rustic gardening, bed, compost bin, tool, storage and decoration gardening, aesthetic appear. With a bed of gardening palette can be transforming into charm, rustic gardening elements add chaptering to your without space. Choose the right palette. Not allow palette are centrable for gardening. Here are to choose the right one. Material for gardening palette make for tranquil wood main charm harmful and plants and salt. Care line. The palette is clean or free to optimizing